Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Keith Koontz. The Labor Day weekend is kicking off, and we've got you back this noon with what you can expect to find out on the highways. As you know, this time of the year is when a lot of folks are looking to travel from here to there. News 8's Ken Pierce joins us live by a major artery here in Connecticut where I-95 and I-91 meet up. All right, Ken.
And Keith, you know this is going to get very busy later on today, even though it's not too bad right now. But once everybody tries to get out of town for the holiday weekend, this is really going to get crowded. So this is something you want to watch out for today. And there's something else you should keep in mind for next week.
If you're hitting the road this Labor Day weekend, you're going to have a lot of company. AAA says 34 million Americans are going to be traveling 50 miles or more. That's up more than 4% from last year.
We attribute it to an improved economy. People are feeling a lot better about things in general. So people need to get out.
And partly thanks to lower gas prices, most of those folks are going to be driving.
Folks expect a lot of congestion on the road, expect a lot of delays. But again, that's part of vacation when you're driving.
And when you're done with your Labor Day travels, I want you to be aware of something else. When the holiday weekend is over, the state police are going to be cracking down on speeding and other dangerous driving right here along I-95 where it merges with 91, where they're doing all the construction. The DOT has created these little pockets with the Jersey barriers, ideal for state police to sit there and watch how you're driving.
All that construction and temporary ramps have made for tricky driving.
That it comes on and merges immediately with that right lane. And then that screws everybody up in the right lane, the middle lane, and then you got the people that are flying by in the left lane.
To keep anyone from flying by anything, troopers will be out enforcing the speed limit in the construction zone. But what is the speed limit?
Right here, this section of 95, going over the bridge and all this, what is the speed limit?
50.
45.
Close. It's actually 40 throughout the whole zone. Word is getting out.
I think it's adjusted down to like 40 or something like that.
What's the speed limit?
40.
Very good. Now, how do you know that?
I seen it in the paper and on the news.
Okay. And now you've seen it on the news, too, so there's no excuse for you to be breaking the law. I'm looking out here, all these cars going by. Every single one of them is doing more than 40 miles an hour. Live in New Haven, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.